everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be decorating a cake with Swiss marine buttercream. I already have Swiss marine buttercream I made earlier, which I'm going to be transferring some of that into a bowl. I'm going to mix the Swiss marine buttercream just to get off air bubbles. Now we're going to use the Swiss marine buttercream to decorate this crumb coated cake, which has been chilling in the fridge for some minutes. Just going to scrape off the excess from the top of the cake. Now I'm going to be adding the buttercream to the sides of the cake. I was much more comfortable with the other way, but I'm going to show you how I added it to the cake very soon. Now the cake is fully covered in Swiss marine buttercream, and I'm going to be scraping off the sides to get it smooth. Now I put the cake back in the fridge for it to set a little. Then I started adding buttercream to fill up the spaces. This cake right here is already cold. It was chilled in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Adding buttercream to fill up the spaces, and we're going to smooth it. Remove the buttercream from the board so it won't look all messy. Now we're scraping the buttercream. You can see it's I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it set. Then I'm going to add more buttercream to fill up these spaces. This right here is a cake that has been chilling in the fridge. Now we're going to smoothen it out and fill up the spaces. You can see it's better because the cake is chilled. Smooth it out a little once again before I put it right back in the fridge for it to set. Removing the excess buttercream from the board so it will look all messy. Now, added glue to the buttercream. You can start with sideways or from down to up motion. Now we're adding blue. You can see the sideways motion. Down to up. adding a little bit of white. Sorry if my light is a little too bright. It started getting dark outside because it was raining, so natural light could not contribute that much. Now I'm just going to clean the sides of the board. And here we go, a watercolor effect on a cake. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a nice day.